Welcome, grade 5th CBSE all subject by Savita Phode. Kids, this is our science lecture for CBSE board class 5th. This is our science textbook. New science in everyday life class 5th. Kids, this is our second science lecture. Second chapter, today we start. Second chapter title, Food and Health. From unit first, Food. Second chapter, Food and Health. From this chapter, we learn today food and its components, balanced diet and different dishes. We obtain our food from both plants and animals. You can look here. E for energy, giving drinks. B for body building foods, and P for protective foods. Kids, first we read this one chapter, then explain, and then time to solve exercise. All question answers we solve here, and talking about diagram also. Okay, then please pay attention. We on now page number 26, and our topic, food and its components. Kids, food contains 5 main components. For example, carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Our body needs all these components in adequate amounts to remain healthy. The sources and function of the 5 main components of food are listed here. Tables. You can see here one table. Okay, it's very important tables. Components of food and function and their sources. Okay, please buy this one tables. Okay, adequate means enough quantity, and sources means thing from which something can be obtained. Okay, you can see here tables. Component of food, for example, carbohydrates, its function provide energy to the body. Okay, and sources from which food we got carbohydrates, bread, rice, wheat, fruits such as bananas and mangoes, sugar, potato and corn. Okay, then next components of food, fats, its function help to keep the body warm, and from which sources we got it, meat, oil, butter, cheese, ghee, cream and all dry fruits. Okay, then third one, components of food, proteins, its function essential for growth and muscle building. Okay, our muscle buildings. Okay, then sources, chicken, fish, eggs, milk, cheese, pulses, soya-bean. Okay, then next, vitamins and minerals, components of food. For example, iron, calcium, iodine and phosphorus are important minerals required by our body. Function needed in a small amounts for a normal functioning of the body, help to fight disease and prevent us from falling sick or ill. Okay, then sources, fruits and vegetable, fish, eggs and milk. Then next topic, our water and roughage. Along with these 5 main components, which one 5 main component? Carbohydrate, fats, protein, vitamins, minerals. Okay, 5 main components of food. Our body also need adequate amount of water and roughage. Roughage means a dietary fiber. Okay, water acts as a medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. It also allows food to pass easily through the digestive system. We should drink plenty of water and include food stuffs containing roughage in our diet. Roughage is the undigested part of the plant food. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in a proper removal of a waste from our body. For example, atta. Which atta? Whole wheat flour. Okay, which we eat chapati. Okay, like puranpuli chapati. Okay, oats, dalia, corn, and a cabbage are some good sources of roughage. Then next our topic, balanced diets. Okay, it's very important. A diet that contains adequate amounts of different components of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. Yes, balanced diet definition. What is a balanced diet? It's very important. 2 lines. Okay, our diet must include adequate amounts of all these components of food for our body to be healthy. Remember to eat food from all food groups every day. Okay, health is a state of a complete physical and mental well-being. This means both the mind and the body must be completely fit for a person to be considered healthy. Proper food diet, rest, exercise, walking, running and playing, and correct posture are essential for staying healthy. You can see downside, a balanced diet contains different food components in a adequate amount. For example, fruits and vegetables, milk and dairy products, bread, potatoes and cereals, fat and sugar rich food, meat, fish, eggs, chicken, beans and nuts. You can see here 5 components of a food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then on the next page, here is a let's remember. Color the foods that would provide the following nutrients. Carbohydrate rich foods, color red, and protein rich foods, color green. Roughage rich foods, color blue. Okay, so color it. Then next one, write whether the following are true or false. Write the false ones correctly. Okay, see, we can stay healthy by just eating a carbohydrate and a protein rich foods daily. No, it's a false. Second one, proteins are needed in small amounts for normal functioning of the body. It's a false. Third one, vitamins act as the medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. This one you search. Okay, this one your homework. Okay, and comment me true or false. Next one, disease. Okay, a disease is a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition. Disease can occur because of a improvement diet, lack of rest or exercise, or a lack of a cleanliness. However, disease can also occur because of other reasons. In general, disease are of 2 types: non-communicable and communicable. Non-communicable disease are those that do not spread from one person to another. That one. Okay. Some of the non-communicable diseases are caused because of the deficiency of a particular food component, also called a nutrients. These are called a deficient disease. Some deficiency diseases are listed here. One table you can see here on page number 28. Okay, deficiency disease, night blindness, for example, caused by the lack of vitamin A. Foods that contain the vitamin and minerals: green leafy vegetables, papaya, carrot, mango, milk, butter and egg. If you eat it's then okay. Then deficient disease, next one, beriberi, caused because vitamin B1. If you eat regularly milk, peas, cereals and green vegetables, it's then okay. Then next, scurvy, vitamin C. Okay, caused by the lack of vitamin C. And foods that contain the vitamin minerals, from where how you got, if you eat amla, orange, lemon and tomato. Okay. Then next one, deficiency disease, rickets, if vitamin D is minimum, okay, low, then you take milk and milk products. Okay. Then next one, deficiency disease, goitre, then iodine. If iodine is low, it's a goitre. Then which foods you can take? Iodized salt, okay, cranberries and sea foods, okay, then you are okay. Then next one, anemia, deficiency disease. Last one, anemia, caused by the lack of iron, okay. Spinach give you iron, apple, guava, brinjal and a meat, okay. So eat all things, okay, properly. Observe the picture given below to find out more about some other non-communicable. You can see here one picture, okay. All are a non-communicable pictures showing. Then see, first one, you can see Mohan just can't stop sneezing. Some people are very sensitive to dust or a certain other substances such as foods, drugs and sometimes animals. Exposure to such substance often make these people ill, causing sneezing, itching and rashes. This condition is called a allergy. What is allergy? If your science teacher give you question, what is allergy? Then you write down this one sentence, okay. Then next one, look how pale and weak Satish looks. He probably suffers from anemia. A person suffering from anemia looks pale and gets tired easily. Deficiency of iron in the body can lead to anemia. Third one, Panti eats lots of ice cream, butter and oily food. Excess intake of fatty foods can cause obesity. Obese people are more likely to suffer from heart disease and diabetes. Okay, means every time eat healthy, okay, be healthy. Okay. Other than deficiency disease, there are other non-communicable disease which may have other causes. Diseases such as allergies are caused when a person is sensitive to certain substances such as a dust, certain foods and drugs. Second one, diseases such as obesity to heart condition are caused by the excess intake of a fatty foods. For example, fries, ice creams and junk food. Some heart condition may also be present at birth or may be passed on from the parents. Diseases such as diabetes, arthritis may be caused when a part of the body fails to function properly. Diseases such as cancer can be caused due to smoking, excessive drinking or due to environment pollution. Kids, now next one, communicable disease. Communicable disease are those that can be spread from one person to another. Communicable disease are generally caused by germs. Germs are disease causing microbes such as bacteria, virus, fungi and protozoa. These germs can spread in the following ways. For example, through direct contact with an infected person. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the germs causing the disease are released into the air and can infect a healthy person. Germs can also be transferred by sharing the infected person personal belongings such as clothes and utensils. Diseases such as common cold, measles and tuberculosis spread through direct contact. Next one, through dirty food and water. Uncovered food and water attract flies. Flies carry germs on their bodies and pass them on to the uncovered food and water when they sit on them. Having food and water containing these germs can cause diseases such as typhoid and cholera. Through insects, mosquitoes and some other insects can transmit germs through their bite. When a mosquito bites a person infected with malaria, it's stuck in germs along with the blood. When the same mosquito bites a healthy person, that person gets infected with the malaria. It's not that cold inside the clinic, but Rohan just can't stop shivering. He's probably suffering from a malaria. Second one, you can see, second one picture, all the flies didn't stop Mohit from eating the burger. He probably doesn't know that insects such as flies transfer disease causing germs when they sit on foodstuffs. Third one pictures, you can see one daughter and one boy sitting with mother. Look how Sonu wiped his nose with his sister's handkerchief. No wonder he got meals. Okay. This one frog saying, I used my brother's towel once when he had meals. I too got the same disease. So don't use another one's, your brother's sister or another one's use. Okay. Then you can see one table here. Some common communicable disease, their symptoms, some prevent measure. Okay. Some communicable disease, their symptoms and how you prevent measure treatment. Okay. First one, common cold. Symptoms: cold, sore throat, runny nose and a fever. How you prevent or take a treatment? Washing hands regularly and keeping away from the infected person. Second one, pneumonia. Symptoms: cough, fever, chills and a shortness or a breath. Treatment with the antibiotics. Okay. Next one, communicable disease about tuberculosis. Tuberculosis symptoms: fever, chills, night sweats, loss of appetite, weight loss, weakness, continued cough, chest pain. Which, how you prevent this one? Treatment with the antibiotics. Next one, our topic, kids, preventing communicable disease. Okay. Communicable disease can be prevented by maintaining good personal and community hygiene. Hygiene may be defined as practice that help to ensure cleanliness and good health. Following are some steps to maintain good hygiene. And one word, antibiotic means what? Substances that can kill disease causing organisms. Okay. Then let's come to the point, preventing communicable disease. First one, things, we should eat clean and healthy food. We should not eat uncovered food from roadside vendors. Second one thing, we should wash our hands regularly, brush our teeth twice a day and bath daily. We should always eat food from clean utensil and with clean hands. Next one, we should not drink unclear water. Drinking water should be kept in clean and covered utensil. Next one, we should not allow water to collect in and around our homes. Mosquitoes breed in stagnant water. Okay. Then next one, we should keep our surroundings clean to control flies. We should throw garbage in dustbin. We should not allow garbage to collect in a dumps. And next one, we should stay away from infected people as much as possible. Very, very important. Okay, kids. The next one, some communicable disease can also be prevented by a vaccine. Vaccine is the use of a special substance called vaccine to prevent specific disease. Vaccines help to build up a resistance in the body. Most vaccines are given to children when they are very young. Okay. You can see in this picture, vaccination. Okay. Few keywords, very, very important for correct answer. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? What is a disease? What is a non-communicable disease? What is a communicable disease? Please buy all keywords. And summary also very important. When you want to write down a brief answer, that type summary help you. Okay. Then time to exercise. Objective type questions here. First one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Okay. First one, dash carbohydrate, proteins provide energy to the body. Which one? Carbohydrate or protein? Carbohydrate, very good. Then second one, iron and calcium are important minerals, okay, that are needed our body. Third one, roughage, okay. Roughage is the undigested part of the food we eat. Then fourth one, health is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Then pneumonia is a communicable disease. Second one, write T for the true and F for the false statement. Bananas are a good sources of carbohydrates. True. Water is not a part of a balanced diet. False. Proper diet, rest, exercise and good posture are necessary for a healthy body. It's a true. Fourth one, communicable diseases are caused due to deficiency of nutrients in the body. False. Fifth one, goiter is caused by the deficiency of iron. False. Then third one, choose the correct option. First one inside there, each of these should be eaten for a muscle building, eggs and meat. Second one, which of these are needed in a small amount for normal functioning of the body? This one, vitamins and minerals. D1 option, correct option. Okay kids. Now, third one, which of these is a good sources of roughage? Vegetables. Okay. Vegetable option, correct option. Fourth one, which of these are essential to stay healthy? Balanced diet and rest, exercise, good posture and means all of this. Okay. So D1 option, correct option. Fifth one, which of these are common ways in which disease causing germ spread? Through dirty food and water, through insects, through direct contact with an infected person, means all of these. D1 option, correct option. Sixth one, which of these disease spread through direct contact? Muscles and tuberculosis. Measles and tuberculosis. Okay. This one option, correct option. Seventh one, which of these is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A? Night blindness. Okay. Eighth one, which of these is caused due to the deficiency of iron? Anemia. Next one, exercise remaining. Come to the point. Match the columns. Vitamin D, rickets. Vitamin B, beriberi. Vitamin C, scurvy. Fat rich diet, obesity. And mosquitoes, malaria. Okay. Then B1, very short answer question. Give 2 example of the following. Sources of protein. You can write down chicken, fish. Sources of carbohydrates. Any 2 you write down. Potato, bread. Okay. Third one, sources of vitamins and minerals. Dairy products, milk. Okay. Sources of roughage, oats and corn. Then second one, give one word for the following. A diet that contain adequate amount of different components of food. Balanced diet, that one called. A state of complete physical and mental well-being, that one health. Then third one, a state in which a function or a part of the body is no longer in a healthy condition, that one a disease. Fourth one, disease that do not spread from one person to another, non-communicable disease. And fifth one, disease caused due to the lack of nutrients in the diet over a period of time, that one for you. Okay, search it and write down, comment me. Then C1, answer the following, that one a brief question. What is a balanced diet? This one you write down in 2-3 lines. Okay kids, how you write down? What is a balanced diet answer? A diet contains adequate amount of different amount of food along with roughage and water required for the healthy functioning of our body is called a balanced diet. Okay, this type you write down. Then next one, second one, what is good health? What shall we do to stay healthy? Good health means, good health is a state of a complete physical and a mental well-being, having no disease. Okay, both the mind and the body must be completely fit for a good health. We should eat proper food. Okay, or a diet, balanced diet. Okay. Take rest and exercise, walking, running, playing and maintain correct posture to stay healthy. Then next one, third one, why should we include roughage in our diet? Give 3 examples of food rich in a roughage. Roughage is the undigested part of plant. It helps in moving food easily, though our digestive system and in a proper that one removal of waste from our body. For example, wheat atta. Atta means a whole atta, okay, flour. Oats, dalia, corn and cabbage are some good sources of roughage. You can write down different examples. Okay. Then next one, what are deficiency disease? Fifth one question, brief question. Give 5 example of a deficiency disease and the nutrients they are linked to. Kids, our fourth one question remaining, different between communicable and non-communicable disease. Give 2 example of each. There you use backside there is a communicable disease, uncommunicable disease. Chart is there. See, communicable disease and here deficiency disease, non-communicable disease. Okay, so you write down and sort out difference. Okay, then what are deficiency disease? Fifth one, that one, disease that are used because of the deficiency of a particular food. Okay, component are called a deficiency disease. For examples, we write down deficiency disease. This one chart, this one. Okay, on page number 28 you write down. Okay, use this one. Then next one question, sixth one, what are vaccines and how do they help us? Vaccines are a special substance that are used to prevent specific disease. Most vaccines are given to children. Vaccine is the use of a vaccines to prevent a specific disease that help to build up a young ones in body. Okay, you can see here this one, last para you write down your perfect answer. Okay kids, then next one, let's recall, very important. Okay, you can see here components of a food. Write down components of food. One, proteins, textbook given, carbohydrate, protein, fats and vitamins, minerals. Okay, how many components food? 5 components of food. Okay, then type of disease, you write down here type of disease and example. Okay, that type. Kids, we finish here second 1 hour science chapter, and in next science lecture we start our third one chapter, safety and first aid. Okay, unit second, materials. Third one chapter, safety and first aid. Okay.